What's up, everybody? This is Chris from Abandoned New Orleans. I'm about to do a test on the bicycle for the Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 4. Alright, so I've got the DJI Osmo right here, the GoPro Hero 4 right here. You see there's a little bit difference because of the bike mounts that I have. This actually came from GoPro variety pack you can buy. You can see the link in the comment or in the description below. Got them set up pretty close to the same as I can as far as settings go. This is not a mountain bike, it's a street bike, so I get off-road a little bit, but not a whole lot. Doesn't do very well off-road. As you can see here, I'm driving down the street and I did not color correct any of this video footage. This is just straight out of the cameras. The stabilization on the Osmo Action is clearly much better than not having stabilization on the GoPro Hero 4. This isn't even a super bumpy road, but you can see how much wiggle you get there on the GoPro. Almost surprised that I was ever able to make any videos using the GoPro, considering how bumpy this looks. And here I am going to take some video of them facing me. You can see that they auto color correct pretty differently. The Osmo Action is considerably darker than the GoPro, and it's starting to rain on me here, so that's fun. You can see a couple of raindrops if you look closely. You can see in the Osmo Action that there are bumps that happen, shaking that happens, but it's more of me who is shaking up and down in the frame than the frame itself. And honestly, I assume most action cameras now have some kind of stabilization on them. I'm kind of doing this wrong. So, because none of mine have so far. I do realize that both of these cameras are old now, but I like to buy used or refurbished or older models because you can pay less money for them, so that's what I do. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hope you learned something. Hope it was interesting. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.